ladies and gentlemen, fellow decoders around the world, wherever you may be. My name is Logan. I'm going to be your tour guide for this short presentation on the topic of the failure of tropical astrology. Are you a fan of astrology? I would imagine you are, since you clicked on this video. I've already done the comparisons between sidereal and tropical. But the failure of tropical astrology, and I've covered this before, I want to make a disclaimer here. I want to bring you to this slide right here, and I have the comparison of, to the left, astrology wheel, to a sense, right? And to the right, there's tools on the table. And no matter what system you use, it is going to be a tool. Tropical astrology is a tool of astrology. Sidereal astrology is a tool of astrology. Chinese astrology is a tool of astrology. There are many different tools in the astrological foundation. You see, I'm about precision. I don't know about you, but I want to get precise on how the sky looks, feels, and dances to get my interpretations from. So I just want to make that very crystal clear. So I'm going to start here. I just got back from this event. It was amazing. Maybe you were there. In Acapulco, Jeff Berwick's event. I got to speak on stage. It was great. And I was here, folks, in Mexico. This is where I was. 16 degrees north latitude. And while I was out and about, after the event, there was socializing going on. I went to this get-together just a few blocks of where I was staying. And I looked up to the sky, and this is what I saw. It was a very clear night. And this is a real image taken on Thursday. There it is in the bottom right. Thursday, February 20th at 10:12 p.m. in Oxo. Right here is where I took the image. And what do you see here? Well, I just overlaid the map. We have Orion. You can see here, this is Betelgeuse. This is Rigel, the belt of Orion. And I noticed right away, I was like, oh, there's Zeus. Right next to Aldebaran. So I matched it up with the map. Right? In stellarium-web.org. So my own eyes from the sky, and I have another image of it right here, just so you know this is a real picture. These are palm trees. Just so you know, I'm not fudging this. Orion was right across from Zeus. Right across from it. And there it was with the map showing me the support, that my eyes are not deceiving me. Orion right across from Zeus. And when you look at this, so I was like, I'm going to open up my Stellarium application on my phone and I'm going to take a screenshot. So here it is at 10:12 p.m. confirming that Zeus was right across from Orion in the constellation of Taurus. However, when you go to, here it is, here's the map itself. When you go to tropical astrology, here it is, February 20th, 2025, probably the most popular website. It puts Jupiter in Gemini. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my eyes are not deceiving me. There it is, Jupiter in Taurus. A real image taken right above my head. I looked up and there it was. And, you know, this is sitting at the midheaven position. So right off to the right, there was Jupiter. Now, when you open up the true sidereal, this is masteringthezodiac.com. There it is. Jupiter in Taurus. So the question I have for all of you, how can Zeus be in two signs at the same time? Because which one is more precise? This one or this one? Well, This is not in Gemini. They're saying it's at 11 degrees Gemini. Right there. 11 degrees Gemini. How can it be in Gemini? Gemini is all the way up here. It would have to be right here. It's a ways away. My eyes don't deceive me, folks. Zeus across from Orion. This is a real image of the night sky. February 20th, 2025. And this is the failure of tropical. So again, this is a system if you want to use it and do your interpretations. But folks, if you're doing transits and you're doing readings for people and you're providing them information based upon transits, of course, you're not giving them accurate measurements. And it doesn't matter where you live. You can be in London and you'll get the same outcome. It doesn't push Jupiter and Gemini if you're in London. This is the most accurate zodiac system to use, masteringthezodiac.com. It not only puts the celestials in their exact precise locations, but it takes into consideration the zodiac signs themselves, the correct sizes. So maybe you're new to this, but this is all color-coded. Virgo is the largest constellation. She does not get the same size as Aries. Aries is the smallest zodiac sign. Why would you box Virgo into Aries? That's disrespecting Virgo. When you do this, you're disrespecting the true real estate sizes of these zodiacs. So it's not even about the failure of the locations, but boxing them into 30 degrees is just not giving respect to the zodiac signs. So I'd love to hear your comments on this. If you're a tropical astrology fan, and remember, I'm not dissing tropical astrology, but I am saying it fails completely when it comes to the precise locations of these celestials, because on February 20th, 2025, Zeus was not in Gemini, as tropical astrology alludes to. It was in the sign of Taurus, right next to Aldebaran. This is a real image of the sky. So I hope by now, folks, maybe this has jarred something for you. This is the most precise, most accurate system to use to date, masteringthezodiac.com. So I'll leave this question for all of you. And if you have an answer of how Zeus can be in two signs at the same time, I would love to hear an explanation. But I already know that's not possible. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. My name is Logan, Decode Your Reality. Until next time, we will see you later.